Hey guys, this is Nate Dog 93231. I think it's been an hour since I last saw my video. This is Hurricane Sandy Part 2. Yeah. Pretty bad, but it's like 80 miles away from landfall. It's a Category 1 with 90 mile per hour winds, but this isn't it, but it's supposed to be Part 3 is going to be interesting, but they're probably going to have 4 parts. Yeah. So. Yeah, the winds are definitely stronger. See, it's moving the basketball.
Come on. Go potty, Randy.
Alright guys, I'll come back out in probably another hour. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I am out.